How to start your journey of becoming a VA or online freelancer? Part 1. Step 1. Create a Gmail account. First, set up a Gmail account. This will be your professional email for all your freelancing work. Kung ngayon, sinasabi mo, ay may email na ako, kaya lang yung email mo ganito. Mahal na mahal kita bebeko _09@gmail.com. Please, wag po iyon ang iyong gamitin. Create a new one. Total, libre lang naman. Make it professional, as simple as your first and last name @gmail.com. Step 2. List all your skills. Take some time to write down all your skills. Think about what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. For example, mahilig ka bang mag-design ng pictures? Or mahilig ka bang mag-video edit? Or kung sa office naman yung work mo ngayon, like office tasks, something like that, admin. So, well-versed ka ba sa Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Excel? Mabilis ka bang mag-type? Something like that. Basta take time to list all of the skills that you have. At sure ako, you have it. Meron kang skills. Step 3. Create your online profile. Create profiles on popular freelancing platforms like Upwork, freelancer.com, or onlinejobs.ph, People Per Hour, at marami pang iba. So, since this is our part 1, para hindi ka ma-overwhelm, okay, mag-start tayo sa Upwork. Ang mahalaga, may masimulan ka muna. Create an account on upwork.com. At kung paano papagandahin ang account sa Upwork or how to properly optimize your account on Upwork, wag mo munang i-overthink yan. We will get there on the next parts of our tutorial. I will guide you on how to do it. Tapos, i-message mo ako nung Upwork link mo para alam ko na sumunod ka sa step na to at alam ko na i-guide kita on how to improve your profile. Deal? Okay, go. Create now. Step 4. Familiarize yourself with job posts. Spend some time browsing job posts. Understand what clients are looking for and what kind of work is available. Gaya po ng napakarami nagtatanong sa akin, ano bang trabaho ang pwede kong magtrabaho dyan? Pwede ba tong skills ko dyan? Dahil napakarami pong available na trabaho online, mahirap ko pong masagot lahat-lahat ng available na trabaho. So this is the answer. Dahil nakagawa ka na ng account mo sa Upwork, may access ka na sa platform, para ma-check mo na kung ano ang iba't ibang trabahong available there. Step 5. Connect your skills to job posts. Match your skills with the job posts you find. Kaya kung ginawa mo yung first few steps, at this point, malalaman mo na yung skills mo ay laging may paglalagyan online. And then, tailor your applications to show how your skills make you the perfect fit for each job. That's it for part 1. Follow for more.